Select the microinverter plant from your list. Slide the time bar along the bottom to view power generation data at every moment. Click here to select the specific date you want to view. Select panel production to access detailed daily, monthly, and yearly energy production data at the panel level. Click the filter to select a specific data logger and its corresponding inverter. Seek panel data. It is able to view voltage, current, frequency and power on panel level for any specific inverter. Check the daily, monthly, yearly energy production on panel level.